Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Freddie Mac for affordable housing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Freddie Mac supports affordable housing through various programs and initiatives. Begin by understanding what Freddie Mac is and its role in the housing market. Freddie Mac is a government-sponsored enterprise that helps make housing more affordable. Next, research the specific programs offered by Freddie Mac. Visit the official Freddie Mac website to find detailed information on available options. Focus on the Affordable Housing Program. This program facilitates low and moderate income individuals in obtaining mortgages. Review eligibility requirements for these programs. Typically, eligibility is based on income, credit history, and the property's location. Gather necessary documentation, including proof of income, tax returns, and credit reports. Take the time to organize your finances. Calculate your debt-to-income ratio to assess your financial standing. Once your documents are ready, contact a lender participating in Freddie Mac's programs. Ask the lender about their experience with Freddie Mac's affordable housing initiatives. Submit your mortgage application through the lender. Be prepared for underwriting, which may require additional documentation. Stay in close contact with your lender throughout the process. They will keep you updated on the status of your application. If approved, review the loan terms carefully before signing. Make sure you understand the interest rates, fees, and payment schedule. After closing, make timely payments to maintain your mortgage. Explore additional resources and support programs provided by Freddie Mac. These can include homeowner education courses and assistance with down payments. Finally, consider reaching out to local housing agencies for additional guidance. They can offer personalized assistance and ensure you make the most of the Freddie Mac programs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.